Hey there, welcome to another video. Today we're diving into a common problem that many computer users face. Picture this. You're working in Notepad, minding your own business, when suddenly you notice that something's off. Your trusty straight double quotation marks have been swapped out for curly ones. What's going on? Well, you've inadvertently triggered a keyboard shortcut that has permanently changed the way your quotation marks are displayed. But fear not, because I've got the solution for you. In regards to the solution, here's the magic key combination. Ctrl Shift double quotation mark, where single quotation mark works too. Simply press this key combination, and voila! Your quotation marks will now switch back to their regular, straight form. The beauty of this fix is that it's a toggle, meaning you can easily switch between curly and straight quotation marks by pressing the same key combination again. It's a simple yet effective solution to a pesky problem that can throw you off your typing game. In summary, if you ever find yourself in the situation where your notepad starts spitting out curly quotation marks instead of the straight ones you're used to, remember the Ctrl Shift double quotation mark or single quotation mark shortcut. It's a quick and easy way to revert back to normal and keep your typing experience frustration-free. And with that, it's time to wrap up this video. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment below with your favorite keyword shortcut. Until next time, happy typing!